This is going to be a really important video. Of all of the dog tag and micro tools that I play with, this one is actually my favorite by far. It's their newest version. It's actually a cordage maker, and you can see this is some cordage I made. I actually made this with a the micro version. Now, what I have noticed through playing with it is that the angle of the blade, you can see this is quite angled, has a big effect on how well it works. So in this case, what I had to do is I actually loosened them up and readjusted so that the blade would come to a better angle. So if you can see here, it actually pushes itself towards this side. Now in doing so, especially in the micro tool, some of the blade becomes exposed. And because of that, I actually filed that part down. That's okay, and this only happens in the micro tool. On the other larger variations, this doesn't happen. The cool thing I like about the micro tool specifically is the fact that there are two holes. What I actually did is I actually made a little bracelet, and it's surprisingly quite cool. And then what I did is put a second micro tool under it, which had a couple of hooks or whatever else I wanted, and it just worked awesome. Also, a side note, I use this from a Perrier bottle, and did you know there's a layer of non-recyclable plastic inside those plastic bottles that you can't cut through? Pretty horrible. So those bottles are not recyclable. Who knew? Who knew? Now the other thing is, I noticed in the videos you see a lot of people or you see them cutting up large 2-liter bottles, which are great and all, but those aren't always the bottles that you have available in an emergency situation. So what I did is I tried them on those. You ever seen those smaller water bottles that have different little indentations along the length? Well, it does work with these, but what happens is every time it goes up past one of those, it creates an inconsistency in the width of the plastic. It didn't seem to affect the strength, at least as far as my ability to pull them. Now I know that they have spacer variations that are going to make it thinner to make fishing line, but I think in that case it might actually cause a problem. I don't know, it doesn't seem to cause an issue with this type of cordage when it's as thick as this is, but it certainly is going to cause issues if you're trying to make fishing line out of it. I think you're going to get inconsistencies in the thickness because of those ridges that are on the bottle. So something to think about, but man, these, especially the micro version, like I said, it's because of these two holes. I've even been able to take this with 2 Velcro wire ties and strap it around a piece of branch so that I had it in place so I could use 2 hands to adjust everything else. I wish they would do that with this one. Something to think about in the future. Anyway, these are the cordage maker, dog tag, and micro tool, and man, they are just really sweet. Especially this one.